Let's make wands today, for flower girls. Cover a wooden stick with a washi tape. The tape can be plain, or can have pattern, such as stars, or hearts. Then, cut 2 segments of decorative ribbon. Ribbon with hearts or flowers, or any similar ribbon, will look nice. Next, cut a segment of satin ribbon. This ribbon should be twice as long as the decorative ribbons. Tie a simple knot in the middle. Pull the decorative ribbons through the loop, before tightening the knot. Now, tie another knot, to attach all the ribbons to the wooden stick. Make this a tight, double knot. Glue a decoration to the top of the wand. This could be a star, a heart, or a flower, made of card or foam. You can add glitter, or diamantes as well.